Two Hengeri.
The toa take their positions. And the clock starts. The toa must now hold this position.
Te tūmahira, tētai o ngā mahi e whakapakari ngā wāwai. Tia māro te tūne, mai ngā reke waiwai, hau atu ki ngā mati, taino mai ki te mātenga ne, kia tū māro te tangata, kia kau e titiro ki te papa, titiro ki mui ngā wākato, kia matāra te kanohi, mahi tika.
Each toa has their own strategy.
I was trying to just focus on you're not letting the rock come up off the ground, and you just try and keep focused.
They're off to a good start, and the rock will ensure that they maintain that.
Was very difficult. What I liked about Two Hengeri is that it kept everyone honest with that kohatu, with that stone. So no one had the opportunity to bob up and down and sort of get away with things. But I thought it was an excellent exercise.
It's not long before the challenge claims its first victim.
Two Hengeri. Ooh. For myself, I've always hated that stance. We done the big challenge yesterday, which was the hill, and might come in today with very sore thighs. Sure enough, as soon as I got down into the Two Hengeri position, just hit my thighs, hit those muscles, and then I just couldn't stay there anymore. I did go out of there to win the challenge, but hey aha.
As soon as I saw Brendan go down, I was like, thank you, Brendan. I'm not wasting my legs for a challenge. I'm not even going to win. Just play it smart. I mean, if you know you can't do the challenge or win it, you may as well just go down.
One by one, they fall to Two Hengeri.
I was disappointed in myself. I didn't stay there as long as I thought I should have. The difficulty is just maintaining that position and holding the rock there on the ground. Just felt the legs getting sore up through the thighs. Then after that, there was just a bit of shaking, and then I can just feel the muscles that I don't use.
So it's not a walk in the park, especially when you do all of the exercises. If you look back, peru, you know, the tirako, the toro parawai, the ahai, running that hill.
Especially trying to stay down, trying to keep your form, and then on comes the shaking, the sweating. No, it's quite difficult, eh? Better than the hill run.
Two Hengeri continues. Who will win today's challenge? Maia te kahui o ngā toa. Two Hengeri is today's challenge, and only 3 of the 8 toa remain in the race.
Te ahune e wero hoki no te hinenga loni, pai te timatanga. Engari, taka te wā, wiri ka tō ngā waiwai anō nei, ko Elvis ke au e kani ana.
Tō tuara, kia tūpato, kia tō tikatoni.
It's pretty hard, man, but once you get the burn in your legs, you can't. I just try to find that zone where you kind of zone out, and then I was going to think, oh yeah, I'll try and win this challenge, but then once I seen what's under there, I just sort of, I started laughing and thinking, oh yeah, I'll just let this fella have it because I know I was pretty safe.
It's now down to Whare and Anaru. Both are showing great determination.
Trying to look down just to see if the rock was touching the ground. Hey, in case I just raised the rock a little bit. But I was just trying to keep focused.
Kia hara. Tūpato anaru, tūpato. Ai, ka pai kia kato.
Mohe nau o whare nā e tino whiti tona āhua, tona tinana, he tino pakari tona tinana.
It doesn't take long till we see signs of weakness. Then whare yields to the attack of two hengeri. Kotoa anaru, kotoa, tēnā koe, tēnā koe. Tēnā koe anaru.
O te kupu tu hengeri e nane, he kupu kanga, ai marika.
Anaru takes the win over two hengeri.